Solana DeFi Hackathon. Let's do it. We're introducing MetaMarket, marketplace for the open metaverse. Any Snow Crash or Ready Player One fans will know what we're talking about. For ideas, we went to the project ideas thing, found this one. So that's what we did. An on-chain NFT market with seamless USDC payment usage, ... Now, if anyone needs that translated into English minus the jargon, here are the features. Any user can create a non-fungible token, or NFT, which is a digital asset with provably limited supply. For example, I'm uploading a piece of artwork or a 3D model of an avatar and minting, say, 3 copies as NFTs. They can list that NFT for sale in USDC or other currencies, optionally with varying prices. So I could ask for $20 worth of USDC for the first, $25 for the second, $30 for the third, and I want the option to raise or lower, say, the $30 depending on how fast the first 2 sell, or I hang on to that one and wait. The NFT then gets listed on the unstoppable Solana decentralized exchange, or DEX, called Serum, which features a global order book, meaning any Serum website could list your NFT for sale. For example, one Serum DEX might automatically list all new NFTs in a feed checked regularly by collectors, and your NFT might sell there immediately. And the user gets paid the USDC immediately after the sale, with sub-penny transaction fees and about 2-second transaction time. Pretty cool. So we got that full flow working on mainnet, with a successful Solana NFT being minted, with the metadata stored in Skynet decentralized file storage, and doing successful buy and sell transactions in USDC via the Serum order book, and the user getting paid their USDC. It all works. Now that flow was done largely via this ugly console full of hacky buttons. It's not fully hooked up to the sexy new interface, which we will blame on the Texas snowpocalypse taking our power grid down for a week. But you can look at the code on GitHub and see how we got it working. Let's think about how to extend this moving forward. So we've got these newly tokenized assets. How can we make them more valuable? First, a quick introduction to the Metaverse. I strongly recommend you read this epic analysis linked in the description called Into the Void, Where Crypto Meets the Metaverse. It defines the Metaverse as a persistent, live digital universe that affords individuals a sense of agency, social presence, and shared spatial awareness, along with the ability to participate in an extensive virtual economy with profound societal impact. One of the foundational principles of the metaverse is that it's highly interoperable. It says the metaverse will employ emerging standards such as non-fungible tokens to track and trace provably scarce digital goods, meaning you could carry your Call of Duty skins into Fortnite and vice versa. No more walls. By building on the ethos of decentralization and open source, lean and robust cryptographic protocols will emerge for managing high-stakes functions such as identity. Speaking of identity, a great candidate for future integration into MetaMarket is the new IDX identity protocol from Ceramic Labs, which grew out of 3box Labs and the Ethereum space to become a blockchain-agnostic identity protocol. This integrates tightly with the new Ceramic network for robust decentralized data. Why does this matter? Because this lets decentralized applications, regardless of blockchain, share the same primitives of user identity and data so that they can start speaking the same language. That example of sharing your Call of Duty skins into Fortnite and vice versa, that just scratches the surface of what's possible. Let's give a crazy example and say that some of the leading virtual worlds decided to increase the value of their networks by building bridges to each other. Say, Decentraland, Crypto Voxels, Somnium Space, and just for the hell of it, NBA Top Shot. Say their developers got together and said, hey, we've already got a lot of overlap in how we're each defining an avatar, this picture or 3D model that represents you as a player. Let's define that shared schema, publish it as an open source JSON document to the Ceramic network, and invite other projects with avatars to use, share, or extend that definition. Now that that data schema is public and known to be tied to specific functionality in many projects, now content creators around the world have a much greater incentive to produce content for and participate in those worlds, particularly if they can go to an easy-to-use interface like MetaMarket, upload a graphical asset and metadata in the exact format known to be consumed by those projects, and immediately find a hungry market of players from not just one project, but maybe tens or hundreds or thousands of projects who are newly incentivized to recognize each other's assets and work together. Now creators can create content and experiences for multiple worlds at once. Now they are co-creators of the metaverse and can be compensated accordingly. So to the judges, we humbly submit MetaMarket for your consideration. And if anyone else watching has ideas for how to help us in this, please drop us a line at cityhall@arcade.city. Thank you.